Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by building a solid silhouette. Wire plus foil gives volume without weight, and hot glue locks shapes fast. Once done, cover with plaster or lightweight modeling clay to a consistent 0. 5 to 1 centimeter skin so paint adheres predictably. Make sure to smooth major seams and sand lightly. Imperfections read as texture under paint. Prime with matte gesso so colors sit evenly, and let it dry fully for 12 to 24 hours before moving on to paint. This prevents tacky, uneven finishes. Now you block in major color zones. Lay dark browns and charcoals for the rock body, grays for midtones, and deep reds and oranges around the crater rim to suggest heat. Once the base is established, employ drip brushing and stippling to create granular rock texture. Lightly drag a nearly dry brush over edges and layer 30 to 50% lighter highlights on raised facets. After that, glaze with thin acrylic washes, roughly 5 to 10% paint to water, to blend abrupt transitions and build depth without losing texture. To finish, paint active lava flows using a gloss medium mixed with bright orange and yellow. Concentrate brightest tones at flow centers and add small white highlights where light would catch. Seal the piece selectively. Matte varnish for the rock surfaces and a gloss varnish for the lava to create contrast. Wait 24 hours between coats to avoid tackiness. If paint beads or clumps, sand the area lightly, apply one thin primer coat, and rebuild color with thinner, multiple layers. This restores adhesion and smoothness quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.